Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Am I audible? Can you all see my screen? Okay. Look at my screen, everyone. So next is the last stage is execution. Okay. Next stage is what? Execution. Execution is very easy. Okay. Now look here. Day one, what you did, you created one generic method. You created auto constant. You created step group. You created property file. You created WebDriver utilities. Okay, you created one screenshot. Right. Now the pages. We created one login page. We created one home page. We created one add to cart page, etc. Okay, so this is your implementation. This is your generic method called as design. Now we have to do execution. So you have to do the execution by looking into the test case. So I've given you the test case yesterday, correct, right? By looking into the test case. Step number one. You will create one class. Step number one, you will create one class. Now tell me, opening of the browser, maximizing entering the URL implicit weight. Where is it written? Where is the code written? Opening of the browser, maximizing entering the URL. Where is the code written? Tell me guys, where is the code written? Where is that code written? The code is written in the step group. So I'm not writing. This class extends step group. Next. I want to click on gears. I wanted to click on Skilled demo application. Where is that code written? I want to click on gears. Where is the code written? In Skilled login page. So you create an object. Login page. L is equals to new login page. Okay, I want to switch the tab. Where is the code written? WebDriver utilities. Call it, write it, call it, use it, Understood? The execution means what? Execution means what, you understood? Everybody understood what's the meaning of execution? calling and executing. That's all. Now everybody go to step group. Everybody go to step group. Please look at here. Look at here. All the methods of WebDriver. Okay. All the methods of WebDriver. All these are non-static methods. All these are non-static methods. All these methods of WebDrivers are non-static methods. Yes. So instead of creating an object every time, okay, instead of creating the object every time, okay, let me go to the script group. I'll create an object for one time. Public. See, my name of the class is WebDriver Utilities. I don't know what names you have given, what spellings you have given, what is the case sensitive. My class name, I am creating an object. Don't try to copy. Understand and write. I'm going to create an object for the class called WebDriver Utilities. I'm going to create an object for the class called WebDriver Utilities. So I'll name it as driver utilities is equals to new WebDriver utilities. Are you understanding? I am creating an object. Look at your spellings and you create an object. So go to the step group, create the object here. Create the object. Everybody create this first. Finished? Okay. Now what is the reference variable? What is the reference variable? What's the reference variable? Driver utilities. Okay, remember that. Now let me create a class. Make a note, everyone. Make a note, everyone. Everyone neatly make a note. Right click on SRC test Java. Right click on SRC test Java. Right click on SRC test Java. Okay, right click on SRC test Java, new, create a class. Right click on SRC test Java, Right click on SRC test Java. Right click on SRC test Java. Name the package name as scripts. Name the package name as scripts. Name the package name as scripts. Now let me give the case name as 1. Click on finish. Click on finish. Number 1. Let me write the main method first. Annotation test public void test case number 1. Everybody look at my screen. Everyone look at my screen. So let me import annotation test. Guys, I need to open the browser, maximize, enter the URL. Where is that code written? We all know that the code is written in the step group. We all know that the code is written inside the step group. So this class extends the step group. Understood? Understood? This class extends the step group. This class extends the step group. Okay, now next I have to create an object for the skill-ready login. I have to create an object for the skill-ready login. So what it will do, it will go and click on Gates button. Next, it will go and click on skill-ready. Look at your scenario. Look at your scenario. It will go and click on Gates button. It will go and click on Demo skill-ready app. Now, where it will land to, where it will landing to, it will be landing to skill ready demo login. It will be logging to where? It will be logging to skill ready demo login. Now, what we have to do, look at the scenario, you need to switch the tab. How do you switch the tab? I told you to remember the reference variable. Driver utilities dot switch tab. Driver utilities dot switch tab. It will switch the control. Now I need to do mouse over on course. So how do you do the mouse over? Driver utilities dot mouse over. Driver utilities dot mouse over. So I need to do mouse over. 1 minute, wait. Save the step group. You are getting errors because you have not saved it. Save the step group. Let me go to this mouse over. Okay. Okay. Save the class. Now, what's the name of it? Get course tab. Get course tab. Now, click on Selenium training button. Next, which page should I go to? Which page should I go to? Add to cart. I need to go to add to cart. Inside this add to cart, what I need to do? I need to do double click. Driver utilities dot double click. Double click on what? I have to do double click on what? Get add button. Get add button. I need to do the double click on add button. Ad dot add to cart. I need to add to cart. Okay. Now I need to click on alert pop-up. Call the method driver utilities dot alert pop-up. Understood everyone? Understood everyone? That's all. Call it, use it, run it. See? Execution is done. The test case has been passed. Execution has been done. Test case has been passed. Somebody has shared the screenshot. Muttamal, your error is not in base class. Your error is there in property file. Can you send a screenshot of property file? Your error is not there in that. It is there in the property file. Send the screenshot of property file. Start executing the code. Finished writing, completed, executed. How to run now? Click on run button, it will run. This is by default, it will come. By default, it will come. Don't need to do anything. Okay, it will come by default. Next, scenario number 2. Everybody look at my screen and you people tell me. Scenario number 2. Now, what is scenario number 2 tells? I need to open look at my screen everyone. I need to open the browser, type skillberry.com, click on gears, and I want to click on Skillberry demo application. Now tell me, all these are already written or will you sit and write again? Already it is written or will you write again? Already it is written. Now what I need to do? I need to select testing from the drop down. I need to select testing from the drop down. Is this is written? Is this is written? Or will you sit and write? Is it written? It's not written. So where you should write that? In demo login page. Where you need to write this? Because this is a demo login page. Let me inspect. Right click, inspect. By using name locator. By using name locator. Annotation. Private web element. Course drop down. I need to select testing from this. I need to select testing. So let me go and store it. That is course drop down. I need to select the option called as testing. Paste it. When our data comes, you have to go and paste it. Okay. Now I will select testing from this. Okay. So this will go to the testing page. Is this page is created? Is this page is created? Is this page is created? No, it is not created. Let me go and create a page. If it is already created, add the elements. If it is not created, create it. Let me create a class. Testing. Now I need to drag it, drop it. Let me inspect. /a text function Salenuim training. Index number 2. Okay, I need to drag this. Annotation. Find by using XPath. Paste the value. Private web element. Name of this is Salenuim. Okay, now I need to drag it and I need to drop it. Where I need to drop it? On the cart. Right click, inspect. ID, my cart. Annotation. Find by using ID. Private web element. This is cart. Okay. Now what I need to do? I need to scroll and I need to click on Facebook icon. I need to click on Facebook icon. Okay. Now /I @ Facebook. To Facebook. So ours is index number. Using XPath private web element. Okay. Public testing web driver page factory dot init elements driver comma this. Let me import web driver. Now public void Selenium course. What's an action? Guess what's an action I have to do from Selenium to cart? What's an action I have to do from Selenium to cart? Drag and drop. Drag and drop. So I need to generate a getters method. No. Drag and drop. So what do I need to do? I need to generate cart Facebook okay. Now I need to click on Facebook icon. Public void Facebook icon. Facebook dot. So you have to scroll to that element and you have to click on it. You have to do two actions. You have to scroll to that element and you have to click on it. Okay. Done. Now let me go to the test script. Let me go to the test case. Click on step number 1. Annotation test public void test case number 2. Step number 1. I need to extend base class. I need to extend step group. I need to extend step group. Step number 1. What I need to do? Create an object for Skillberry login page. Already this piece of the code is written. I need to click on gears. I need to click on Skillberry demo application. It will go to where? Skillberry demo app. It will go to Skillberry demo app. In Skillberry demo application, what it will do? It will go and first I need to switch the tab. Driver utilities dot switch tab. Okay, now after switching tab, what happens? Now I need to click on. I need to select the drop down file utilities dot drop down. Okay, drop down. So I need to call the method get course. No. What's a drop down? Let me go to this. I have not created a generic method for the drop down. No, I have not created. Source, generate, getters and methods. Course, drop down. Now it will come. Dot get course drop down. I need to read the data from where? From the Excel sheet. Sorry, from the property file. P data dot get property file. What's the name we have stored? Course drop down. This is the data. Okay, now let me throw. This will throw you an exception. Throw the exception. This will throw you an exception. Throw the exception. Okay, now where it will go? This will go to the testing page. It will go to which page? It will go to the testing page. In testing page, what happens? First it will go to testing page. After it goes to testing page, what happens, guys? I have to drag and drop. Driver utilities dot drag and drop. From where to where? From Selenium. From Selenium to cart. Okay. After that, what I need to do? I need to click on this one Facebook icon. So for that, I need to scroll. Driver utilities dot scroll bar. Scroll bar. So before this, what you have to do? You have to get the coordinates. You have to get the coordinates. For that, you have to call a method called as get Facebook icon. Get Facebook icon. Store it inside one variable. Return type of this is web element. You can also write here, instead of writing two lines, you can directly write here. Dot get location. You can write it here itself. Okay. So LOC. Okay. Next. LOC dot get X. Okay. Let me store it inside a variable called as X. Now let me use int y is equals to loc dot get y. Pass x, pass y. Now I need to do fb dot click. Now call the method. Okay. So understood why am I creating a getters method and why am I creating this method? One is for clicking action, one is to get the address of that element. Okay. Now let me run the program. See, it is scrolled. It will click on Facebook icon. Execution has been done. Execution has been done. See, test case number 2 is passed. No failure. Okay, make a note. Start writing. Start writing. You want me to show the testing class? Create the class, add the elements, start it. In demo login, you have to add one drop down, and here you have to add this page. Start executing. Start it.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Abhinav, tell me.
I have sent a message in test case 1. I got this message, ma'am. Why this one coming?
Let me check it out. Where, Abhinav? Where have you sent?
Message board.
Huh?
In message.
Where? Can you send it now? Can you send? There are so many things. So many people have sent so many things. So
One
many.
minute.
This is. Can you just send me this again, right?
Did you get?
No.
I have seen, ma'am. My name is on top.
What's your name here?
Avinav Jha.
No, no, no. Here. Which batch you are in? Batch number 1 or batch number 2? I can see.
1.
He sent in queues per rap, ma'am.
Hey,
Yeah.
if you send in just but app, how can I see this one? You have to send a screenshot here. Not there. I'm seeing this one. WhatsApp. You have sent somewhere else.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Yes, man. Good morning. Tell me. Tell me, man.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. This is Mutamil, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I'm sharing a screenshot on WhatsApp, ma'am. I'm getting a failed test cases.
Guys, if you show me like this, I will not understand. Okay. So listen here. Listen here. So let me finish it today. Let me finish it today. I'll finish this complete framework today. I'm going to give you this framework tomorrow. Okay, I'll give this framework to you all tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll teach you GitHub and I'll give you this framework tomorrow. You will look at the hairs and tomorrow we will connect it via Google Meet link and we will see it. Okay?
Ma'am,
Uh,
can you please explain line number 24 only, ma'am? Once.
line number 24.
Yes.
Nothing. Call the drop down. Call the method drop down from driver utilities.
Okay.
Okay. So here we have two things. One, we have to pass the address and you have to pass one is property file. So this data I've stored in the data.property file. Okay. That you store it in the property file and get it. One more is course tab. The address of that element.
Okay. Ma'am, please show the data.properties file once, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Guys, look at we are going to do like this. Today I'm going to do one more test case. We'll finish the complete framework. Tomorrow I'll give it to you. Tomorrow complete framework will be given to you. I'll teach you GitHub and I'll give you entire framework tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I'll give you entire framework. I'll give you sample resume point, everything and revision, everything I'll do it tomorrow. Okay. And Thursday, we will dedicatedly keep for your doubt clarification session. Okay, Thursday complete day will be your doubt clarification session. Okay. Okay, after that Friday and Saturday we will do your final mark. Okay, or else this is one plan. Next, okay, no means we will complete of the framework tomorrow. I will do GitHub, Jenkins, everything. The portions I'm going to wind over tomorrow. Okay, and Thursday, Friday we will do the final mock. Saturday we will do the doubt clarification session. So if you want time and do, Saturday we can do or Thursday we can do. So whichever thing is good for you, you will select. No, we want some time, we will look into that, we will work on it. Saturday we will do. No, we will do it on Saturday, we will do it on Saturday. See, Saturday, next Monday, Tuesday, everyone doubt I'm going to clarify. If it takes 1 or 2 days extra also, no problem. We'll clarify everyone's doubt. Okay, next. So we will do like this. Okay, we will do like this. So what you want me to do? We'll do it on Thursday or Saturday? Doubt clarification. Okay, Thursday. Fine. So I'm going to wind up your portions tomorrow. On Thursday, I will do doubt clarification session. Okay, I will do Thursday your doubt clarification session I'll do, and Friday and Saturday will be a final mark. Okay, so 31st we are going to wind up your batch. Still you have doubt, Monday also we can take a class. Monday also people can show the class. Okay, now look at my screen. Next test case. Look at my screen. I need to open the browser. I need to type skillrary.com. So already this page is created. Now look at my screen. Already this page is created. Yes, this page is already created. So now I need to inspect the search text field. Let me inspect the search text field. Now by using name locator. Now let me go to the Skillrary login page. Okay, this is Skillrary login page. Annotation, find by using name locator, private web element, and name of this is search text box. Okay, name of this is search text box. Now let me click on this. Let me right click, inspect. Okay, now what I will do, type is equals to submit, /input @ type is equals to submit. Let me copy this. Let me write it here. Annotation, find by using XPath, paste the value, private web element, and name of this is, I'll write go button. So this is a normal methods. Correct? Let me create public void search text box. So I'll write it as search db dot send keys. Pass it as a parameter. String course. Pass it as a parameter. You should never hard code the data. So we always know that. Pass it as a parameter. Next, public void search button. So that is search button. Where is that? Go button. Go button dot click. Always remember whenever data is there, whenever data comes into picture, you should go and write it off here. Okay, whenever data comes, you have to write it here. So it's a course name. So I'm searching for core Java for Selenium. I have to write it core Java for Selenium. I need to write it off this. Okay. Now look at my screen. Let me come to the Next page. So I have to come here. I will type here core Java for Selenium. It will go here. Now tell me, guys. Tell me. Is this core Java for Selenium page is created? Is this page is created? No, it is not created. Let me click create this. Let me right click inspect. Okay. Now look at my screen. Let me create it. Selenium page. Okay. Annotation. Find by using XPath. Paste the value. Private web element. This is core Java. Declaration over initialization. Public Selenium WebDriver page factory init elements driver comma this. Let me import WebDriver driver. Now public core Java Selenium core Java dot click. Okay, now done. This is done. Now let me come here. I will click on this core Java for Selenium. I need to go to this wish list page. So let me create a class wish list. Okay, in this wish list page, I need to click on this play button. Where is this play? Why is it identifying this body HTML? One minute, where is this? Let me inspect it again. Uh, why is it not identifying the element? iframe. Okay, inside this where is this element is not able to identify? 1 minute, hold on. 1 minute. Okay. Now play and pause we got. Like we understood play button. And we understood pause button. Play and pause. Private web element pause. Now I need to click on add to wish list. I need to click on add to wish list. /span text function add to wish list. Okay, done. Public void wish list annotation find by xpath private web element wish list. Okay, public wish list web driver. Let me import
Ma'am,
page factory.
a square brace is missing in the add to wish list XPath. Yeah, closing side.
1 second. Yes. Okay. Driver comma this. Okay, done. So elements has been done. Now let me go to the test case number 3. Test case number 3. Click on finish. So step number 1, it extends step group. Okay, next annotation test public void test case number 3. Let me import annotation test. Now what I need to do, step number 1, I need to click on that first element. I need to click on go to Skilldery login. Let me go to Skilldery login. In Skilldery login, I need to click on search text box. I need to click on search text box. pdata dot get property file path. Okay. Now what I will do, course name. Okay. Now let me throw that exception. Now search button. So this will go to Selenium page. Selenium New Selenium. In Selenium page, what happens? In Selenium page, it should click on Core Java for Selenium. Next, it will go to which page? It will go to the wishlist page. Wishlist page. In wishlist page, what I need to do? First, I need to switch my control to the frame. So, driver utilities dot switch frame. I need to switch the frame. Then I need to click on play button. Let it play. Let it play for some 10 seconds. Let it play for some 10 seconds. Next. W dot pause button. Okay. After pausing, I need to switch my control. Drive utility dot switch the control back from the frame. Then after coming to back from the frame, I need to click on add to wish list. I need to click on wish list. That's all. Now run the program. Now you see, it will search for code Java for Selenium. There's one pop-up. Okay, so we have to inspect that pop-up. Okay, there's one pop-up which is overlapping. Okay, we have to inspect that pop-up. Let me try to handle it manually. Okay, let me try to handle it manually as of now, but we have to handle that pop-up. Pop-up means you have to just click on close button. Okay, just you have to go click on that close button. See? Okay. Let's write the program, otherwise it will not allow me to. This pop-up is appearing during the execution. Now it is not coming. During an execution only the pop-up is appearing. So what I will do now, I will go and I'll give a little bit delay before it clicks on play button. Meanwhile, let me inspect of that element. After click inspect that element, it is blocking you. Okay, let me inspect. Right click, inspect. Okay, there's a text function /A. Oh, okay, there's a text function. We have to inspect. You have to be a little bit quick because I've given a little bit delay. Now, where is that? /A text function x. It is matching. Okay, now let me write the code. We go to annotation. This is there in the wishlist page. So let me write annotation. Find by using XPath. Paste the value. Private web element close. Okay. Now what I will do? Let me create a method. Close pop-up. Now close dot tick. Close dot. Why it is not coming? Close pop-up. Close dot right click method.
You wrote
Oh, fine. Web element. Okay, no problem. Web element. Dot click. Okay. Now what I need to do? Let me go to the test case number 1. Let me remove all this delay. Now I'll write close path. Okay, that's all. Now let me run. Why is it not closing? Little bit delay I'll give you. Little bit delay I'll give. Oh, okay. I've written the program to switch frame. So before switching the frame, it should close. No, before switching the frame, it should close. Then it should switch the control to the frame. No, then it should click on play button. See, first it should close, then it should switch the control. See, happening.
Hi guys, welcome back to Skill Diary. In this video, we shall understand how to write a simple program in Java and how to save it and also how to run it.
Execution is over. Execution is over. The test case 3 is passed. The test case 3 has been passed. That's all. Now I want to run sequentially. I want to generate a report. How do you do it? Select all the test cases. Right click. TestNG. Convert to TestNG. Click on finish. Click on testng.xml file. Run it and generate the report. Run it. Generate the report. Okay. See the execution. So why one test case is getting failed? Let it fail. Now let it be. Now let me right click. Let me click on a refresh. Okay. If you click, you can get a photo. Where is that test case failed? Tuesday. Okay. Where the test case has been failed. Where the test case has been failed. Here. Where the test case has been failed. It has taken a screenshot with the date, time, everything. It has taken the screenshot. Okay, and also you can go to the test output folder. You can go to the, where is that test output folder, and click on test and emailable reporter.html. You'll get a report as well. See how the report looks. Okay, understood everyone? Understood everyone? Okay, so tomorrow can I teach you GitHub and I'll give you this framework, or you want it today itself? Tomorrow I'll teach you the framework and I will give it to you, and today only I'll give it to you. Okay. Tomorrow I'll teach you that pushing. Tomorrow. Wait. I'll wait. Okay. Repository.
Ma'am, please take doubt clarification tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. Thursday. Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you will do time. Means take time to do. No. Look at the framework today and take time to do it today and tomorrow. Thursday I will do it. Understanding? Let's not do worry. Like I'll clarify.
Ma'am, can you explain how did you find the element of play and pause button?
I'll tell you.
Ma'am,
Wait 1 second, wait. One by one. Take this, complete framework is been pushed. You can look into that, correct your mistakes. Still errors are there, we will do it. Look at the things, okay? Link is given. Don't post it in the group. If I see anybody post it in the group, I'll be removing you from the group. Okay, it's put up in the broadcast. Please access it. Now look at my screen, everyone. Look at my screen, everyone. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you guys. Tomorrow we are going to discuss on GitHub. Tomorrow we're going to discuss on GitHub and Jenkins. I'll give you sample resume, interview questions, everything I'll give it to you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to wind up your portions. Okay. On Thursday, we will do doubt clarification session. Okay. How doubt clarification session? As we all know, in Google Meet only 100 people is a limit. 100 people can join a time. Once after your doubt is clarified, you can leave the class. You can start living so other people can ask it. Okay. 100 doubt clarification is on Thursday. Okay. And Friday, for example, let's assume we have so many doubts and we are not able to clarify at one shot. Let's assume so many doubts we are not able to clarify. Thursday and Friday also we will do doubt clarification session. Okay. And Saturday will be a final mock. Saturday will be your final mock. And your mock starts at Saturday 8 o'clock. Okay. 8 o'clock mock starts. Anyone, okay? So I hope everyone is having on holiday. So 31st, have a mock. Few people, let's finish it. Okay. 8 to 10 o'clock, I will take your mock. Next, on Monday, we're going to start at 7:30 a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m. This is your mock slot. And this is fixed. And this is the fixed. And this is the process. If everyone clarifies their doubt on Thursday, Saturday will be your final day. And no, we want one more day, I will extend it. Okay? Got it? Got it? Whoever is having an office people, whoever want to go immediately, take your mock, join the class early, take the mock and you guys can leave the class. Okay? Fine? Done? Okay, so see you tomorrow. Let's catch up tomorrow. Let's continue. So tomorrow we are going to talk about GitHub, Jenkins, sample, resume, revision, everything. We are going to finish it off tomorrow. Thursday, Friday will be your doubt clarification. Or if I cannot revise tomorrow, because tomorrow in case if I'm not able to revise it tomorrow, so what I will do, I will revise it on Thursday. Then I'll start up with doubt clarification. Okay, revision on Thursday and start up with doubt clarification on Thursday, Friday. Saturday is your final mark, and Monday also if you have, we can do. So January 2nd is your last class. Okay. How to inspect this play and pause button? Very simple. Let me go to the Skillery Core Java for Selenium page. Let me right click. What happened to this page? Oh, it's not coming. Core Java for click on it. Okay, inspect it. Okay, inspect it. See, when you right click inspect, you can see this. Just below after that, just see always, okay, whenever you